Hey guys, in this video we're going to be checking out the top 5 best bread makers that are available on the market for their true quality. You can check out the product links in the description below. So let's get started with the video. At rank number 5, we have the 2LB Bread Maker Machine, offering a solid set of features with 13 pre-programmed options, including settings for yogurt and jam, plus 3 loaf sizes and 3 crust colors. This bread maker is designed for beginners, with easy-to-use controls and a fruit and nut dispenser that automatically releases ingredients during the baking process. Its non-stick pan ensures hassle-free cleanup, and the 13-hour timer lets you prepare bread ahead of time, making it ideal for busy households. In terms of design, the machine has a clean and functional look, although it doesn't stand out aesthetically compared to other models. The build quality is decent, but its weight might make portability a challenge. Performance-wise, it bakes bread evenly, thanks to 360-degree heating. But the absence of standout features like low-noise operation or advanced customization limits its appeal for more experienced bakers. Overall, this bread maker is a solid option for beginners looking for versatility and reliability without breaking the bank. However, at $84.99, it's slightly pricier than comparable models, so it's best suited for those who value the added features like yogurt and jam settings. The lack of brand recognition might be a drawback for some buyers. Coming in at number 4 is the Kitchen-in-the-Box Bread Machine, a compact and affordable option perfect for gluten-free enthusiasts and those who love experimenting with homemade bread. With 12 pre-programmed options, an intelligent fruit and nut dispenser, and a 13-hour delay timer, this machine offers great flexibility for busy lifestyles. The non-stick aluminum bread pan ensures easy cleaning, while the 550-watt motor delivers consistent baking results. This machine also features a 360-degree heating system for even bread texture and browning. Its design is modern and compact, fitting well into smaller kitchens. The LCD panel is straightforward to use, but it's not as intuitive as higher-end models, which may require a bit of a learning curve. Despite its affordability, the machine feels sturdy and well-made, although the plastic components might not be as durable as stainless steel alternatives. Performance-wise, it excels at baking gluten-free bread and other specialty recipes, but has fewer customization options compared to premium models. Priced at $59.98, this bread maker is a great value option for individuals or small families who prioritize affordability and gluten-free baking. However, its lower customer rating, 4.1 stars, suggests there may be minor issues with longevity or consistency in results, making it better suited for casual bakers rather than daily users. At number 3, we have the Amazon Basics Programmable Bread Maker, which is the most budget-friendly option on our list at just $56.22. Don't let the low price fool you. This bread maker packs a surprising amount of functionality, including 14 pre-programmed settings for bread, dough, jams, and gluten-free recipes. It also features 3 crust color options and the Express Bake setting, which bakes bread in under 90 minutes. A non-stick bread pan ensures easy cleaning, while its compact design fits well in smaller kitchens. The build quality is decent for its price point, but it does feel lighter and less robust compared to premium models. The LCD display is clear and easy to navigate, making it beginner-friendly. However, its lack of advanced customization options might limit its appeal for more experienced bakers. Performance-wise, it delivers consistent results for basic recipes, but may struggle with more complex doughs or larger loaves. Overall, this bread maker is a fantastic entry-level option for those on a budget or new to bread making. While it lacks premium features like a fruit and nut dispenser or low-noise operation, it's hard to beat its value proposition at this price point. It's ideal for casual home bakers looking for simplicity and reliability. At number 2 is the Elite Gourmet EBM 8103M Programmable Bread Maker Machine, a top-rated model that offers incredible versatility with 19 menu functions for a wide variety of bread types, including gluten-free, rye, and French bread. This bread maker supports 3 loaf sizes, 1 pound, 1.5 pound, and 2 pound, giving you flexibility for different occasions. The 15-hour delay timer and 60-minute keep warm function make it perfect for scheduling fresh bread exactly when you need it. Its mint color and compact design also make it a stylish addition to any kitchen. The build quality is robust, with non-stick components that are easy to clean. The included accessories, like a measuring cup and spoon, further enhance its user-friendly design. Performance-wise, it excels at delivering consistent results thanks to its 550-watt motor and precise heat distribution. Users love the ability to control nutrients by avoiding preservatives and customizing recipes. However, its slightly heavier weight could be a downside for those who need portability. Priced at $69.99, this bread maker is a great middle ground option for households that want versatility without going for a premium model. Its excellent customer rating, 4.5 stars, and reputation as a bestseller in bread machines make it a reliable choice for most home bakers. Finally, at number 1, we have the Ocipoto 2-pound bread maker machine, the premium option on our list, priced at $94.98. This bread maker is packed with high-end features, including 17 customizable programs for bread, cake, jam, yogurt, and gluten-free options. Its large 2-pound capacity is perfect for families, while the 600W motor delivers fast and efficient baking with low noise levels, just 50 decibels. The 15-hour delay timer and keep warm function offer excellent convenience, ensuring fresh bread whenever you need it. The stainless steel exterior adds durability and a sleek, modern look. The design is outstanding, with intuitive, beginner-friendly controls and a non-stick pan for easy cleanup. The bread maker's high success rate for homemade recipes is a huge plus, making it ideal for both novices and experienced bakers. Performance-wise, it delivers evenly baked loaves with a golden crust thanks to 360-degree heat distribution. The quiet operation is perfect for households where noise is a concern. While it's the most expensive option on our list, the Ocipoto bread maker justifies its price by offering top-tier features, excellent build quality, and versatility. It's the best choice for families or anyone looking for a reliable, high-performance bread maker that can handle a wide variety of recipes with ease. Thanks for watching, guys. I hope you liked this video. If this video was helpful to you, please make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. If you have any questions related to these products, you can leave a comment down below. I will get back to you as soon as possible.